how to use tags on Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags on Shopify. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. Alright, first up, go to the Shopify homepage. Now, click Login and choose the Google Sign In option if it's available. That way, you can quickly log in without dealing with passwords. Once you're in, you'll land on your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where everything happens from managing products to checking orders. On the left-hand side, click on Products to see your full inventory. Pick any product you want to work with, maybe something new or something you want to reorganize. Once you click on it, scroll down a bit and look to the right side of the screen. You'll see a box labeled Tags. Click into that box and type in your tags. These could be anything summer, bestseller, vegan, limited edition, whatever helps you identify and organize your products better. You can add multiple tags, just separate them with commas. Once you've added your tags, make sure to click Save at the top or bottom of the page. This is super important. If you forget to save, all your tags will disappear and you'll have to do it all over again. And that's it. You've successfully added tags to your product. I hope this helped you get a better handle on tags in Shopify. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. See you in the next one.